Hey guys, I'm back again with another video. You might have seen my previous Z Fold 7 video. I did the unboxing and I also tried to apply a screen protector for it. The film, which has anti-reflection by Samsung, and it didn't work well with me at all. I tried four of them and neither of them have worked out for me. I always ended up with some dust and imperfect application. So that's why in this video, I'm going to try out a third-party screen protector by Benks. Now, Benks is a brand I've been trusting quite a lot lately when it comes to smartphones. They have a nice product usually, and they made the Z Fold 7 screen protector. This one has anti-reflection as well. You see it has HD clarity and transparency, enhanced explosion proof, and scratches resistance. So I was also getting lots of fingerprints on that Samsung film. That's why I also didn't like it. This one instead has anti-fingerprint. It has full coverage. What's important for me is that it should provide like great and decent protection, nice feeling, anti-fingerprint, and it should have like anti-reflection. That's what I'm expecting out of this screen protector. Now I should also turn off the Z Fold 7. So far, I didn't use it a lot because I was afraid it would get scratched on the front display. So I was waiting for this one to come. Nice packaging. So I don't want to make this video so long. I'll just try to do it in a fast way. Okay, so what do we have here? We have this very big dust absorbing sticker. You can see it's going to cover even more than the display size. So you can do it like in one go and it should remove all dust. Other stuff we have a tray which has a screen protector, so an easy applicator included, and I prefer this method much more than the traditional way. Like Samsung Film really has a very difficult way to install. I wish to say they improve it. So here they say clean the screen, then align the applicator, secure the applicator, and pull out strap one, this one, attach halfway, then pull strap two. Finish air removal and peel off the alignment film to complete. Okay, hopefully we'll do it right. We also got some preparation kit. So an alcohol wipe, a dry cleaning cloth, and those smaller dust absorbing stickers in places where this one can't like remove. You can use that one. They should have included something to lift off the phone because you see, due to this camera bump, it's going to like shake. So they should have included something to make it stand off. Okay, so we'll use a dust absorbing sticker. It removed all of them, but I still would like to like confirm it worked well. So I will do it multiple times. Because it was really dusty before. You might have seen it. It was very dusty and not so clean. So Remove that. Now we can just finish air removal. So they didn't provide any kind of card to remove them, a squeegee. However, you can do it with fingers. So I don't see a lot. Honestly, I just saw a small one and I removed it. Also here. Okay, so now I can remove this whole frame. Okay, there we go. You can see 100% perfect, and you can see it has anti-reflection at the same time. Not as strong as Samsung anti-reflection film. However, it's much better than anything else out in the market. What I like about it is that it covers also the selfie camera. So while that one from Samsung, the film, has like a circle here for the selfie camera. So some dust will get trapped here usually. So that's why I don't really like it. I prefer a seamless looking. And also this one is a glass, while that one from Samsung is a film. So you can see it looks really beautiful, very awesome, and giving it great protection. You can barely tell there is a screen protector, and you can see like it has great anti-fingerprints, as they said. Like even if you press it all you want, you're not going to see any fingerprints on it on the screen. So that's nice. To be honest, I would say, given this quality, given this ease of installation, and given this results overall, I would say it justifies the premium price, to be honest, because at least you are getting something in return. 100% aligned screen protector. You are getting an anti-reflective one, a glass also. So let's now turn it on just to show you the anti-reflection effect of it. You can see already that it's like you see if I direct the slide to it, image looks stunning. I don't see any problem like in touch sensitivity or anything. It's very responsive. So guys, that was it for this video. I hope that it was useful in case you are looking for a premium, a nice protective for your Z Fold 7 outer display. I hope you will find this video useful. So if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Z Fold 7 content on the horizon, as well as other stuff. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.